Hi everyone. So let's continue to discuss on conditional test execution in JUnit 5, and in this lecture we will discuss about how we can enable or disable a test based on Java runtime environment. So friends, what are Java runtime environment conditions? So here in JUnit 5, a test can be enabled or disabled on a particular version of Java runtime environment, which is our JRE, via these two annotations: @enabled on JRE and @disabled on JRE. So if we want to enable a test case on particular Java version, then we can use @enable on JRE annotation. And if we want to disable a test case on a particular version of Java, then we can use @disabled on JRE annotation. So friends, these annotations are part of org.junit.jupyter.api.condition package. So these annotations are provided by JUnit 5 and are kept in this package. Also friends, we will see that both these annotations have a mandatory attribute by name value which takes in an array. Now this array takes in the name of the JRE version on which we want to enable or disable a test. So friend, let's say if we want to enable a test on Java 7 and Java 8. So we can provide these two values in the form of an array to these annotations as a mandatory value attribute. So let's see some of the usages how we can use @enabled on JRE and @disabled on JRE annotations. So on our test methods, what we can do is we can simply provide this annotation as @enabled on JRE, and then we can simply provide a value something like JRE.java10. So what this annotation does is it simply enables a test to run only on Java runtime environment 10, and on any other environment the test cases are simply skipped. And similarly, let's say if we want to disable a test case on Java 8, so we can use the annotations as @disabled on JRE. We can provide a value as JRE.java_8. So this will simply disable the test on Java runtime environment 8, but the test case will be executable on other versions of Java. So friends, let's go to Eclipse and see that how we can use Java runtime environment conditions by using these annotations @enabled on JRE and @disabled on JRE.